And so we really don't want to say anything today. It's an occasion to celebrate love, to celebrate family. And what an example this wonderful couple has been. We wish you many, many more anniversaries, and invite us again, we'll come. In fact, who is it was saying, I think it was one of your daughters who said, in ordinary times, it will be impossible to contain the crowd here. We all feel very privileged that we received the invitation to join with you today. But I also know that the whole country is here with you. Tuwapigieni makofi tena. Congratulations.
Once again, let me now take this opportunity to welcome you and also to thank you for taking time to be with us here tonight. I want to thank particularly my colleagues in the Azimio Summit who've all come in the numbers to be with us here today. They were saying it's Baba, and I was saying, how does Baba become the guest in his own function? That I become the speaker. I mean, I cannot congratulate myself. They're being very unfair. As usual, politicians are very unfair. But I'm very grateful that you guys have taken time to be with us here. I don't take it for granted, me and Ida. I met this young girl 51 years ago. And sometimes they say live at the first sight. I don't know what to say.